last home in the town home series, and this floor plan is called the Paxton. So let's take a look. Oh, I love when you open a door. I love, love, love that. I love new homes. I love them. It just feels like a load off when you walk in. Okay, so this one is very similar. This one is 1,700 square feet, and the other house we just looked at was 2,000, and the one before that was 1,600. So we're almost in the middle with 1,772 square feet. So this has the same layout as the 2,000 square feet. When you walk in, you have the TV, living room area, and it is connected with the dining room. Actually, that's a little bit different because the other one had the living room over there. Okay, so let's just stay focused. Sorry about that. So, kitchen, you see a different color, not quite white, a little bit more off-white. Still have the stainless steel appliances and the granite countertops. You have more bar seating here. So it's a much larger island than what we've seen before. And you even have more storage space in the kitchen. You can use this area here for like your coffee or tea. You have a good sized pantry. Still have the bathroom downstairs. And they have a mud room. And this one also too is cool. You have extra storage like behind the bathroom. Look at that, nice. That's very, very nice. Yes, yes, yes. So you can store all of those things that you have in storage here. And you have a mud room. I love mud rooms. It makes it so easy when you come home, just sit your little bag there and not have to worry about anything. Perfect. So I want to go upstairs. And this carpet is similar to the very first one that we saw. Same layout with the desk off to the corner as you come up in the hallway. And this one looks like the master. That's a king size bed. Plenty, plenty, plenty of walking room. So there's not a crowded master. Enough room for 2 nightstands, king size bed, plenty of walking around space, and a dresser. Shower. Double sinks. The commode, you know, they say you've seen one, you've seen them all. And this closet looks bigger than the other ones we have seen. And you have looks like a larger laundry room, a little bit bigger, not too much bigger, but a little bit bigger. Hall closet for extra storage. Oh, this is another good bonus too. It's a decent sized closet right here. And they have this room that they're using. I have shown an example as a nursery, but this could be anything. You can use it as an extra bedroom or a nursery if you want. And still you see plenty of windows. I've noticed that's a big trend here at this community. Windows. Good sized closet. All of these have double sinks, which is a plus. This is just a regular tile tub combo, tub and shower combo with tile. The commode. And this is the last bedroom. This looks like a full-size bed. So you have a full-size bed, 2 nightstands, and a dresser. Let me step back so you can get the full gauge of how big this room is. Good sized windows so you don't feel so crammed in. This is a very good sized closet. It's actually a walk-in closet. Where's the light? There we go. Okay, so there's the light for that one. And is, what did I say this was? Paxton? Paxton floor plan. Yeah, I remember that. My memory's getting better.